welcome to Toy Chef channel. I'm Mike. Today we are going to make a pinball toy. Pinball toy has two marbles, so play like this. So you can make pinball toy. So you can make start and go or whatever you want. It will be very fun for you. Let's make it. Okay, let's check the parts for pinball toy. So first, this one, two long plate with sleeve, and this one is a shorter one, also two pieces, and this one, this board for the bottom side, for bottom board, and this one is acrylic plate for cover. And this one is two marbles, and this one wooden scrap I will send you, and this nails for put the cover, and also we need to use equipment, driver, glue, rubber band. Okay, so let's check make it. Okay, so the first, pick up the glue. Pick up this one, long one, not short one, long one piece of this, and put the glue in the sleeve. Just line, okay? And then put on the table. Pick up this ball and insert in the middle of the sleeve. Have a little bit. So this part and this part should be the same size, okay? And this one on the table, and pick up the short one. Put the glue into the sleeve the same, and also on the side one line. Put and assembling with these parts. The glue parts stick on the board, longer board, okay? Maybe some kids need some help or the parents. Did okay, and one more small one. Do the same. Put the glue, and also put the glue on the side. Don't need to put too much, just line, okay? And assembling together. It is, okay? So it will be the flap, the side, this side also the flap, and this part, long one. Put the glue, okay? And then put a little bit of glue on here, both sides, and assembling together. Yes. So it will be the case, okay? Could you see this? And we have to wait for dry, but we also want to do painting, so pick up rubber band, open the rubber band, and tie the box, and both sides, this side as well, okay? And you can start painting whatever you want, just make original. And also you pick up the wooden scrap and stick on board like this, and stick with glue. Don't need to put too much glue, okay? And also there's a point when you put the wooden parts, wooden scrap, if the wooden parts will higher the box, you will get in the problem because we have to cover by acrylic plate. So see, this like this. So please keep wooden parts lower than box, always lower than box, like this, not this way, this way, this way. Okay. And also, one more point, when you put the wooden parts, actually this one up to you, but recommendation, check with a marble to pass between the wood and the wood. If you stick the wood like this, cannot go anywhere, have to back, right? So please think your idea and decorate by yourself.
A few moments later.
So jungle and dinosaurs will be fun. And after you paint it and put the wooden scrap or put the marble in the box, like this, will be fun. And for the end, we have to cover by acrylic plate. This. Okay. So pick up the screwdriver and one piece of screw. And acrylic plate have to be in a just size of the box. If you put acrylic plate like this will be a little bit dangerous. So make sure the acrylic plate is on the box just size. And then you need parents help this part a little bit hard.
I one by one. It takes time. But please close tightly because if the marble come out from the box, it's a little bit dangerous. Maybe the baby's infant might eat the marbles. So please for safe. Every nail. Put everywhere, okay? And to the left. Okay, this is the last one.
Okay, here is your original marble pinball toy. Maybe it takes 1 hour or 2 hours, depend on painting and decoration. Let's enjoy. And also, if you are interested in this channel, please thumbs up and subscribe me. Thank you. Bye.